Come test drive the 2006 Ram Pickup 2500. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 5.9-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, remote keyless entry, speed control, day-night rear-view mirror, dual note horn, front stabilizer bar. Inside you'll find tinted glass, front floor mats. The Ram 2500 is built with sturdy hydro-formed frames and capable 4-wheel drive options to handle the toughest job site terrain while maintaining a smooth ride. Come see the car for yourself.